Hi, I'm Robyn Abrahams, a crypto journalist from the buidlbee team. We're an international company based in the Ukraine with a focus on cryptocurrency and Web3. Basically, what we want to do is curate the information that's going on in the crypto market so that we can help crypto traders become more efficient and maximize their returns. Thank you so much for
Uh,
allowing me to interview you. Saeed,
it's my
yes.
pleasure. It's my pleasure, and thank you so much for inviting me for this interview session.
So I just wanted to open it up, obviously, because not everyone in my audience knows you yet. So could you just give me a bit of information about you, how you got into the crypto space?
Okay, I have been in crypto space since 2019, and it's been 3 to 4 years. I have an experience in crypto market. First, I was just learning and just researching on the crypto market. Then I got the interest, and the interest was actually how we are gaining profit and how this actually working, how
Mhm.
we working on crypto market. Then I studied about the blockchain technology and all these stuff. What is the programming languages using in blockchain technologies and these all stuff, these were actually quite interesting for me. This why I got interest in the crypto market, and like this is the future.
Definitely, definitely. So what was your, because your career basically started in event managing. So how did you make the link between event
Actually,
management and
and
becoming basically the CEO of your own company?
okay, actually, I was like studying in the university and college, and I was like happy and interested to manage different events like trips and annual dinners and all other events. That's my hobby actually. And
Okay,
then
okay.
I just jumped into the professional market, and I was working in the crypto market. I was like researching on it. Then I thought I should grow my network. I should jump fully in this market. And then slowly, I create my network. I create a YouTube channel. I create my own community of crypto market. And then I have just started my crypto career
Okay, so it was very,
with the
it's actually very
CEO of
organic.
yeah, CEO, and then established my own company, which is SA Crypto Pak, and giving information and everything about blockchain technology, metaverse, Web3, NFTs, and you can learn everything about cryptocurrency. You can
Hmm.
learn everything about crypto trading, how you can trade, how you can do technical analysis, how you can do risk management, fundamental analysis. Each and everything is available on our platform, and like we are training different peoples. We are giving trainings about
Hmm.
cryptocurrency from the beginner levels, from the scratch to the advanced level, for every person who wants to learn about crypto market and wants to learn how you can trade in the crypto market.
Yeah, and I think that everyone who's listening to this should definitely go and check that out because before you get into technical analysis, crypto investment is so essential that you
Exactly.
understand the fundamentals
Hmm.
and understand what you're actually doing before you get into investing your real money because
Exactly.
otherwise it's basically just gambling if you don't understand why the market's
Yeah.
moving the way it does. On that, I would like to know, do you have any formal affiliations with Binance? Have you ever had partnerships with them? Or are they
uh,
just an interest for you, like you just believe in the exchange?
Yes, I have affiliation with Binance Exchange. Actually, this is one of the biggest exchange in the world,
Yeah,
and
definitely.
they are doing a lot of work in the education sector of crypto market. They are doing
Hmm.
work like if you download the Binance Academy, you can learn everything about crypto. Okay, and Binance is actually doing amazing work in the whole market, and they are just leading right now since 2017. Once they enter in the crypto market, they are just
Hmm.
like booming in the market. CZ is doing very good things for the crypto market, and that's really good for the adoption of crypto.
Yeah, on that note, Binance and CZ had a AMA of their own a few weeks back, just before 2022 closed, and they
Yeah, yeah.
explain more about this. So it's actually really interesting that you've got this connection with them, because they're going very heavy into security and ensuring that everyone that uses their exchange is secure when they
Yes,
use it, and that they can always withdraw, which is something that the crypto community is quite scared about after the FTX scandal. Um,
exactly. They're doing good, like a lot of work in the ecosystem, in the whole ecosystem of the
yeah,
crypto
definitely.
market.
Exactly. I want to know, like, because you said when you entered the working field, like the formal, like, you entered the working field after university. Why did you feel so confident in the crypto market that you were willing to invest your university fee in it? Like, what about it was
Okay,
like, yeah, this is
actually,
definitely something that's gonna grow in the
yeah,
future?
this is like interesting question for like our audience as well. First of all, my career counseling was not so good. Okay, and in that case, I just started my ACCA from SCAN School of Accountancy, Islamabad, and I like started my education career in scans. But I actually this field was not like quite interesting for me. I was not like taking interest in my studies as well because when I saw the future, when I see like where the whole world is going and what I am doing, then
Mm-hmm.
I realized like information technology is the field which I have to choose, and I have to grow my career, and I like to jump in this field. So then I just search on crypto market, and one of my friend was doing crypto trading, but like he was not educating himself or not educating anyone about crypto market. He was just like invested in crypto and doing trading and this all stuff. I do complete research on crypto market. I write some two books for me only. I didn't publish it in the public as well, and I just write it in the form of notes to understand what actually it's doing, what is the history of crypto market, how
Okay.
we can trade in the crypto market, what are the fundamentals of these things. After studying these all stuff, I just invested in the crypto market, and many of people was asking me like you are on a very high risk. You are taking a very high risk. Don't do this with your future. I said, if I can't take risk this time, I cannot fulfill my dreams and I cannot doing a lot of things in my life. So
Mm.
I invested in the crypto market and take the risk because somewhere I just I read a quotation like risk taker are the money makers,
No, but that's
and that
100% true.
and that line quite was interesting for me. And then I say, I will take the risk. I will invest on myself. There were two results. Once, if I invest in crypto market, I will win. Or if I can't win, I will
Hmm.
learn. This will be learning for me. I will learn one new thing
Okay.
with my investment, with my time, and with my efforts. So
That's
that's
a
why
it's a
I
very
just take this.
healthy mindset you had from the get-go.
Exactly. So that's why I just take the risk in the crypto market.
Nice. Yeah, because but I just want to point out to the listeners, like, what you had there was, yes, you took the risk, but what you have with where a lot of people miss out is that you took the risk, but you also educated yourself. So you didn't blindly invest in the crypto market.
Exactly.
You educated
Mhm.
yourself, and then by the time that you were actively involved in the crypto market, you could
Mhm.
mitigate most of your risk and also take advantage of changes in the market that you recognize from your studies.
Yes.
So that's the
Mhm.
important thing, and that's why it's
Exactly.
important to like follow you and follow other people that educate people about crypto and not just blindly
Mhm.
invest.
Yes.
On that note, how are you personally, for you, because you're obviously a veteran in this industry, how are you adjusting your strategy in 2023, because a lot of experts are predicting that we might be getting out of the bear market this year? And also, if you could just add a
Mm.
second part of, like, for beginners who maybe don't have that experience, if you could adapt it to them as well, how can they adjust to this market?
Okay. First thing, what actually I am doing in the first quarter of 2023 or the whole year of
Mm-hmm.
2023, we are in the bear market still right now. We're
Okay.
not in the uptrend or in the bull trend.
Okay.
And once this downtrend finish, we will have to face accumulation phase, which probably we are facing this accumulation phase because BTC is not even moving up or moving down. Okay, we
Mm-hmm.
are moving in the sideways accumulation. So this sideways accumulation is quite interesting, but we still not confirm the bottom of the crypto market. But I agree with you. We will like start our uptrend in the middle of 2023 or maybe the quarter four of 2023.
Okay.
We will see some pre-pumps in the markets. Like today is 10th of January. You see BTC just do some movement to the upside, and we will see these all things in the next 2 to 3 or 4 months.
Okay.
BTC
Okay.
will slightly go up and do correction, slightly go up and do traction. And once we have a bottom, the bottom will be with a long wick. We will see a very long wick at the downside, and then we will say the liquidation have done in the bottom, and the
Mm-hmm.
bottom will be in. We will start the uptrend, and the main uptrend, like the post halving pump, will be after 1st of April 2024. Before 1st April 2024, we will have the pre-halving pump.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's the second part? I was just
Oh, I
asking
was
about the
basically
question.
saying how, okay, given that's actually really interesting that you're saying in the latter half of this year we might see the recovery market and then go back to like a bull market hopefully in the last like
Mhm.
quarter. But how would you advise traders, especially beginner traders who don't have experience in like they haven't experienced the crypto crash before? How would
Mhm.
you advise them to
I
strategize
will,
their investment
I
this
got.
year? Yeah.
Okay. So for the beginners, if you want to invest in crypto market, if you want to start your journey in crypto market, you just need to invest in the crypto market in parts, in different parts, because no one, even a biggest trader, can't even catch the bottom exactly. Okay, so you need to invest at different prices. This is called DCA, dollar cost averaging. You have to average out your investment at different points. Like if you are going to invest at this current level, you then have to wait for the next correction and invest in the next level, and then again in the next level. With this strategy, you will get a good buying points for your investment.
Okay. And where do you
Yes.
think? So the next question is like, based on what you're saying now, do you have any kind of inkling where the bottom's going to be? And then also, do you predict like, where do you predict that Bitcoin's going to max out if they go back into like a bullish market? Like, what would be
Okay,
your
and
bottom and your top predictions?
okay, my the bottom prediction for the crypto market and for the Bitcoin is, especially for the Bitcoin, is
Hmm.
around 9,000 to $10,000. It will be a long wick below ten
Yeah,
thousand
yeah.
dollars, and we will trade in that candle above 12 to $13,000. Okay, we will see just a wick below $10,000 or $11,000, a long wick. And for the all-time high, my target is very low, but I am sure we gonna hit 1,10,000 dollar. I have just uploaded my technical analysis on my YouTube channel, and I have
Okay.
done this technical analysis from 2011 to 2025 with a whole like a Bitcoin structure since
Okay.
2010 and 2022 current time, and I have just predicted on that table. And according to my this technical analysis, my upper support line, sorry, upper trend line, okay,
Mm-hmm.
upper trend line is 1,10,000 dollars. And this is like very minimum target, because many
Yeah.
YouTubers you will say, and if I talk about the percentages which Bitcoin have gained in the past, according to that target, BTC might hit $250,000 or maybe 300K.
Yeah, that's generally people are like throwing out 200K, 300K. But okay, I will give them one thing. They are giving the projections for at least the next 3 years. They're not necessarily saying that's going to be like 2023 is like
Mm,
300, but some of
no,
them are.
it's
Some people are throwing out ridiculous
this is
numbers right
true.
now.
This is true. We're gonna hit this number at the end of 2025 or maybe first quarter of 2026.
Okay. Um,
Exactly.
do you think, okay, obviously Bitcoin is the most popular, it's the most believed in cryptocurrency, but we can't obviously ignore the power of Ethereum. Do you think
Exactly.
because of the use cases of Ethereum, right? Because most
Yeah.
layer two things are being built on Ethereum right now. It's very popular and it is kind of neck and neck in terms of use cases. Um, do you think it will overtake Bitcoin either this year or in the
Hmm.
next 5 years?
Okay. Uh, Actually, I don't think so. Ethereum
Okay.
is gonna cross over Bitcoin because the number one and point is supply. BTC has an amazing supply of 21 million.
Mm-hmm.
And if you talk about Ethereum supply, this is unlimited supply. Like everyone in the history can, in the past, can mine Ethereum coin, and now like Ethereum 2.0 is working, and the mining concept is just closed, and now you can stake unlimited Ethereum coin. So
Okay.
that's why I don't think so. Ethereum gonna cross over BTC, and the second point is Ethereum have different use case and Bitcoin have different use case.
Yeah,
Like
definitely.
if you want to do payment, like if you wanna buy a shirt from any store, or if you buy anything from the market, this could be a good option to pay in Bitcoin because of gas fee.
Yeah,
The
Ethereum's
Bitcoin
ridiculous with
that
gas fees.
exactly, that's why you cannot pay your payments in the Ethereum coin. Yes, you can use Ethereum platform for the smart contracts, decentralized application. For that purpose, Ethereum is the best choice.
Yeah, I definitely agree with you because I mean that's why different blockchains are working to not displace, but I guess displace Ethereum because of just the fact that poor scalability, and then they obviously don't have like they don't have scarcity. That's like the Bitcoin problem, but
Yeah.
still they are trying to fix those types of problems. Um,
Exactly.
and then back to the Binance, which we started in the beginning of our conversation. We were talking before we started this call about the fact that Binance is the largest exchange right now. Lots of people use it, and they're very big on, like in that AMA I mentioned, CZ was putting forth that they do have a supposed one-to-one coin reserve, which they're
Mhm.
promising to protect users, because obviously in the event that they want to withdraw their money, there's guarantee that they
Mm.
can. Um,
Yes.
do you trust exchanges, centralized exchanges like Binance, or are you more someone that would use a decentralized exchange? Like, what's your opinion
Okay.
on that right
On
now?
this opinion, I will say I'm not going to invest 100% on any centralized exchange.
Yeah,
After the
definitely.
collapse of FTX exchange, Sam was my favorite person, and I was believing FTX will cross Binance in future. But the thing I see past in the crypto market, this was really disappointing for me, and this was actually not good for the crypto industry as well.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
I am not gonna trust Binance or any other exchange, any other centralized exchange, because nothing is confirmed. Maybe anything happen, any incident can happen in the future with Binance or any other exchange. So I don't think so. We're gonna trust on centralized exchanges. Yes, we can trust on decentralized, because the next whole system is gonna change on decentralization. So that's why I can trust on decentralized
Mm.
exchanges these are good, but the problem with decentralized exchanges are fees. When you're gonna swap with other tokens, you have to pay a very heavy fees. Like if you are using MetaMask wallet and if
Yeah.
you are using any Uniswap exchange, you have to pay a very like too much fees of
Mm.
Ethereum coin. So that's why decentralized exchanges are not in use. So people mostly use centralized exchanges, but Binance is doing good work in the world. They are fully in front of people. They are like telling what actually they are doing in the
Yeah.
crypto market and what value they are putting in the crypto market. So this why we have to put our effort, we have to put these things, and we have to see that Binance Exchange is quite doing good things as compared to other exchanges.
Yeah, definitely. So basically, support Binance because I also believe that they're doing and they're really trying to be transparent about their. Obviously, they can't be 100% transparent yet, but they're trying to be as far as possible. And but I do think with what you're saying is like if the decentralized exchanges can optimize for fees and stuff like that, if perhaps they use a different blockchain, then we maybe see more adoption on that side.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Speaking of adoption, I feel like this is a nice segue. Which yeah, that was like perfect. Um, which altcoins are you investing in right now? And then also, but long term, like you actually want to hold. Which altcoins are you looking to invest in? Yes, but also hold.
Okay, my favorite, first I'm gonna tell you about my favorite altcoin.
Yes,
My
please.
favorite altcoin is Cardano, ADA.
Okay.
Okay, why I loved ADA? Because this coin didn't allow any institutional investor or any other person for the you can say like manipulation. If
Mm-hmm.
I see at the Cardano chart, or they don't have the crazy pumps and they don't have the crazy dumps in the history. So
Okay.
that's why they are like moving with the supply and demand. They're moving like a supply and demand, and they are moving with the structure of market. When the bull market, when there's a bear market, and when there is like you can say accumulation and distribution, these all things we can see they're doing good. Cardano coin. So I will suggest to invest in the coins of Web3, NFT, and Metaverse.
Mhm.
These
Um,
projects are really good. You can I can hold Dotcoin and Linkcoin for the long term. Linkcoin and Matic coin are doing good. So
oh yes,
these
you were
are good
talking
for
about
the,
Cardano before we ended our call, and we were talking
yes,
about altcoins. Yes.
yes. So Cardano is one of the my favorite coin, and then next altcoin I'm looking for the best like return is Matic coin and
Okay.
Dogecoin. And if I talk about Web3, then Flowcoin will do a lot of things, because every developer and these all peoples, if they want to develop anything in the Web3, and they can use Flow platform. Flow are giving a lot of things to the programmers, to the developers in the Web3 and blockchain technology.
Okay.
So if
Um.
I tell you about the numbers, I will tell three coins, okay, to
Okay.
our listeners, to our readers, to our viewers. We have three coins if for the long run. The one is IDA Cardano, number two is Matic, and number three is Flowcoin. These
Okay.
three coin they can invest, but there are a lot of many other coins, but these will do very good in the near future.
Okay. So these are the ones you're holding on to.
Yes.
And the ones that you're currently trading on the short term, just to make short term profits, which ones are you
For
working
like
with right now?
for okay, for the short term, I don't have some specific coins. I just do technical analysis and
Mm-hmm.
see like which coin is like in the downtrend for a long time and didn't have any uptrend or a small rally, I do different coins, and I think I had traded almost all coins on the Binance exchange.
I feel like you should give out like this little token. It's like you've officially reached it. You've now tried
Exactly.
all the coins. Like, good job. So the next question I have is quite I don't know. I'll ask it and I'll let you decide how you feel about it, because there are a lot of people now, or well, who aren't necessarily analysts, who aren't don't have experience trading with data in mind, and they're using AI bots as
Yes.
a replacement for expertise. But there's
Mhm.
also people who've been trading for a while who are using AI to enhance their performance. So
Mhm.
is it something you use? Is it something you'd consider using? And what's your overall opinion about AI trading bots?
Okay, actually, personally, I am not using any AI trading bot or AI strategy, but I agree with you. This is the future,
Yeah.
and artificial intelligence will replace everything.
Mm.
But the problem is security. But the problem is the privacy of your funds, the privacy of your data. These are
Mm-hmm.
many important things. So if you are using any other platform like a trading strategy bot or any copy trading or anything, you created API key and connect to the bot. But the problem is we have to see the accuracy of that bot. What's actually the accuracy of that bot and what they are giving in return. So I will say if anyone is going to use the bots, you first thing you have to see is that secure for your fund and for your personal data. And the second thing is you have to like check on the you can say accuracy of how much return they can give, and at the end of month what actually you are gaining and what actually you are losing.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay, I got a bit lost. So aside from the security aspects of it and the fact that you have to be mindful of cybersecurity of your data, because if you're not mindful of it, it's very easy for companies, for like the AI companies to take
Mhm.
it. What and the fact that you did say it is the future, but that could mean 5 years, that could mean 10 years, that could mean 20 years. Like what in the next 5 to 10 years, even the
In the
next two to
next
three years.
5 to 7 years, you will say there will be a lot of things gonna replaced by AI.
Mm,
In these days, Chat GPT is like doing a lot of things,
yeah, it does
and many
more
of
than I thought
people
it could.
many of people are using. Exactly. That's why I'm just saying that online strategy creating is not difficult. But
Mhm.
for the beginners, I will suggest to first learn about the market, do your own research, and learn what actually trading is and what actually crypto market is. Then you can use different these tools.
Yeah, okay, I'm on that. I 120,000% agree, because it's just like well, honestly anything digital, the calculator even. It's like if you understand the fundamentals, you'll be able to use the tool better. And when it comes to
Yes,
everyone using AI, the people that are using AI with fundamental knowledge, they're just going to outperform anyone who's using AI blindly. I feel like
yes,
that's that. Okay, yeah, then 100% agree with that. And I'm glad that you're accepting that AI is going to come,
yes.
because most people are like, no, we're going to fight it. I'm like, good luck with
No,
that.
no,
Good luck with that.
no.
Um, so, for the beginners as well, there's a lot of talk now. Actually, no, this is for everyone. There's a lot of talk now about crypto, obviously, because there's a lot of big international institutions like banks, governments adopting it en masse. And with that comes regulation, right? How, if it does it affect your strategy? And also, how would you advise people who are in um, the USA, where it's going to be regulated first, to adjust? Like, what would you tell them?
I don't think so. We need to change any strategy, but if we are working 6 hours in a day, then we should double it.
Okay.
We will do more trading to make more bucks and to make more money. Then you can like do everything. If there are a lot of taxes or any other thing, you can fight with these all taxes and these all
Okay.
stuff. But regulations are good for us as well. So that's why I believe that if we have any regulation in the future, nothing will change with our strategy, with
Okay,
our
so
trading strategy.
you're basically saying when, and I agree with this about the fact that regulation generally affects your taxes and how government has
Yes.
access to your money. So in
Mhm.
order to make up for the losses in taxes, sorry, excuse me,
Mhm.
you should maximize your efforts so that you can just improve your overall profits.
Exactly.
Okay, okay, solid
Yes.
advice. Please, everyone, listen to that. It's not doomsday. You can make back your profits. Um,
Yes.
so on that note, how are you maximizing your profits right now? Like this year, what's your? I know how you feel like the
No.
market's gonna it's gonna stay stagnant and then it's gonna go up. But what's your
Okay.
blink twice if you don't want
My
to tell me?
in these no no it's okay. In these days, we what we doing? Like our target is very small. Like if I'm gonna buy Cardano coin, I will give you example of Cardano coin.
Mhm.
I will do scalping because
Okay,
scalping is the better choice. Like if Cardano moves slightly up, book your profit and wait for the new entries. Then again do this. And when I am trading, I do scalping many times in a day. Okay,
okay,
and we do like I have to take 10 trades in a day. If I lose 7 trades and if I won 3 trades, my risk management will be like at the very best point, I will lose only 5% of my capital in the whole day. So
okay.
these are different strategies for the risk management. You have to calculate your risk management and do trading, do more trading and more profit and more learning.
Okay, so over, like basically what you said with regulation, but just generally, just implement that anyway. Just
Yes, and in the
maximum
for
exposure then. So just you
yes
can make,
for the
yeah.
yeah, for the maximum profit, you need to diversify your portfolio for the long term, for the short term. For the long term, you have to take better entries and hold these coin for year or 2 year. And for the short term, just do swing tradings and scalping, book your profit and the small points, and then exit from the market.
Okay. And are you one of this? Just as a complimentary question on that, when you do maximize your profit, are you quick to take it out and then put into like investments, like long-term investments? Is that because I've noticed a lot of
Yes,
people do that? Yeah, is that just a given
yes,
strategy for most traders?
yes.
Okay, because I noticed that's what a lot of people I'm talking to, they're saying that they're obviously the more experienced ones, they know when to take the big risks. They make their profits there. They
Yeah.
mitigate for their losses that they're inevitably going to get, and then they just like as soon as they get big profit, they're just like, okay, cool, just secure, secure, secure.
Yes.
So I have two questions. One, which is the last we approved of, obviously, but the last one is a fun, exciting question that I'm going to keep. Like you have no idea what it is, but yes. So the last one is, and this one I feel is maybe very important for beginners. What is a red flag that they should look for when it comes to investing in a new altcoin or new, even a stable coin? Hello?
Like I have to tell the beginners what they should do when they are trading,
No, no,
or
no, no.
is that for the traders?
No, no. For anyone actually, but then obviously for beginners who don't know what to look out for, what are the first red flags when either you're picking a position, you're making a bet on a coin? What when you see this, are you like, okay, cool, abort mission, let's just reevaluate?
Okay, so for these things, first you need to do a fundamental analysis about that coin. Okay, and if there is any good news or any event they're doing in the near future, in the next couple of days, then you have to do the technical analysis and point of these things like trend line. Where is the trend line? Where is the trend of the
Mhm.
market? Because trend is your friend. This
Okay.
is actually the thing. Trend is your friend. You have to like see where is actually the trend. Is the downtrend or is it at the uptrend? You have to see the trend of the market. Then you will calculate the support area and the resistance area. Do your complete technical analysis with the different confluences. When you do
Hmm.
these all things, you will get the answer, and you will know that now, okay, we have these things. Then you can decide whether you can trade or you cannot.
Okay. Okay. So basically, by the time you've done your fundamental analysis of the company, you should like be looking out for, wait, could this be a scam? Could
Exactly.
this be a pull rug situation? And then
Yeah.
from there. Okay. Now for the fun part. This is not related to crypto specifically, but
Okay.
I mean, Web3 is a very broad, very far-reaching industry. What
Yeah.
type of projects or which project in particular are you excited about, makes you happy? It doesn't have to do about trading. It can be about Nike swoosh for all I care. Like, what is the
Mm,
thing that you're just like really excited? You've seen it and you're like, I have to tell all my friends about this. This is like the coolest thing ever.
okay. How many coins you need? I have to tell you. How many
This
projects?
this is for you. This is yours. It's my gift to you, so you can leave this with a smile.
Okay. Okay. Dot coin
Okay.
is doing amazing. Okay.
Okay.
If you are risk taker, you can take risk on Shiba coin, Shiba Inu.
Yeah.
Okay, because Shiba
Twitter
can
agrees with you,
do,
by the way.
yeah.
Twitter really agrees with you.
Yes, because actually I don't like Shiba coin because they don't
Okay.
have any potential use or they don't have any potential value as well. But the hype of this coin is amazing. Like people just blindly buying this coin and they become the FOMO. Like they have the fear of missing out and they are going to invest in Shiba coin, and the Shiba coin is going like a boom in the market. So
But it also goes
Dogecoin,
boom in the dirt, though, if people decide
yes,
it's not good
exactly.
anymore.
Yes. So Shiba and Dogecoin, Matic coin, and Cardano coin, and Phil. You
Phil.
can add this coin. Yes, Phil, because Phil is also doing good for the data storage in the Web3.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Nice.
and if if I go for the Metaverse coin, in the beginning, SLP was my favorite coin in the metaverse because I've made some profit from the SLP coin as well. But the thing is, they don't have any solution about their supply. That's the reason they actually developed their game.
Hmm.
Like they have many users, their supply increasing. They don't have the burning mechanism. If they set their burning mechanism, SLP coin will do a lot of things in the future if they can survive in the market.
Yeah, if
Because
maybe
100%
find.
is not, yeah, 100% is not accurate or anything in the crypto market. You just have to give your guess in this market.
I'm gonna tell you I just like I'm just very excited. Like I like the idea that the gaming side of Web3 has like their own they're like developing their own ecosystems because I just want to
Mhm.
go into one of those RPG games and like destroy because it's like and then you no one can say anything because you're actively contributing to an economy, not the real world economy,
Exactly,
but an economy still counts.
exactly.
But
So
with that, you've answered all my questions. Once again, thank you so much for being so
it's
generous with
my
the
pleasure.
information.
It's my pleasure. Yeah, thank you.
Because like like people pay you to get this insight. So the fact that you're willing to give it to our audience
Exactly.
for free, like honestly, thank you so much. On that, do you want to share anything? Like a new project you're working on, a new program you're releasing?
Yeah, we have the website of sacryptopak.com. On
Hmm.
that website, you will have a very useful content and useful blogs. And I have a very amazing content writer with me, and they are working very, very good work on the crypto market, NFT, and metaverse. And my website is like in the market. Like I have my website 1 or 2 months older. So I will going to upload weekly blogs on my website. Along that, we are providing crypto consultations,
Mm-hmm.
and we are providing crypto courses as well. If anyone want to do crypto course, we are available to teach them, to train them in the crypto market as well.
It is definitely. Please, and also don't forget your YouTube channel, which has a
Yes,
lot of
exactly.
really good information. Thank you so much for letting me interview you and letting me talk to your audience.
It's my
All the
pleasure.
best
Thank
with
you.
your programs, and I hope we get to work together like this in the future as well. Yeah,
Yes.
so thank you, Sayed, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me for this call, for this interview. Thank you so much to your company as well, and thank you to you.
Of course, thank you so much.